Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are heading to Publix. The date is January the 10th, and these deals run to January the 17th. Now, in this video, these are all digital deals. No paper coupons are clipped. You're either going to use your phone to save or just use savings in the store. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either print off the printable breakdown or you can just pull it up on your phone. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, I have a $10 giveaway going on in this video. So what that means is you are going to receive a $10 gift card. Now, let me tell you what you have to do. You're either going to head on over to my Instagram channel or my TikTok channel. They are both called Praising and Saving. Like those channels, and then come back here on this video and comment that you have liked my Instagram or my TikTok channel, or both. If you want to do that, that'd be great. Come back and tell me in the comments, and I will be doing a raffle for a $10 gift card in the comments after you guys do that. Now, in this video, I have about 18 deals for you, and most of the deals are food deals. That's right. We are saving money on food in 2024. I've got some freebies and some money makers in this video. So let's go ahead and get started on some deals. We don't have any coupons for this, but we're actually running out of this in our house. The pearl milling syrup is usually $4.69. We're going to be getting it on BOGO for $2.35. And to complete that, I'm going to pick up also a box of the pancake mix. Is $4.18, but we're going to be getting it for $2.09. So picking both of those up for less than $5. Great deal on the Ritz crackers. These are $4.50 each. Usually they're buy one get one free, so each box will be $2.25. You're going to pick up 2 boxes. Your total will be $4.50. There is a $1 IBOTTA rebate on the app that will come off, making the total for both of those $3.50. or $1.75 per box. I wanted to get the fresh stacks, but I don't know if that will apply. So I'm just gonna stick with the tried and true original for $1.75 a box. This is like one of those too good to be true Kleenex deals right now because, you know, everyone's sick. And so my kids' teachers are constantly asking for Kleenexes for their classes. So these are usually $10 for a 4-pack. Okay, so that's already really expensive. They're on sale this week, 2 for $11. So if you do the math, that's going to make each box $5.50. Then on the Publix app, there is a $3 coupon that's going to come off at the register. So that's going to bring this box down to $2.50. Still insane, right? Because it was starting at $10, and you're already at $2.50. Then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back per box. If you want to do that, I'm just going to get 1 box. So that's going to make these $1.50. $1.50 for a 4-pack of Kleenex is huge because I want to show you what 1 box of Kleenex costs. And 1 box of Kleenex at this store is going to be about $3 or $2.50. That's just 1 box. But you're getting 4 boxes for $1.50, only using your phone, and only digital deals using IBOTTA and the Publix app. Awesome deal on this. Great deal on the Uncrustables. These are the 4 count for $4. I would never spend that much money on Uncrustables. So here is the breakdown. I'm getting a little cold. So these are $4. For these, they're buy one get one free. So you're gonna pick up 2 of them. Your total, you can't even see it. Your total is gonna be $3.99 for these. So there'll be $3.99 for the both of them. There is a $1.25 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. And that's going to bring your total down to $2.75 for the both of them, or about $1.37 each. So I would definitely spend $1.37 on each of them instead of $4. Got a decent deal on the Ballpark Franks. These are $4.29 each. They are buy one get one free. So each pack is going to be $2.15 for the hot dogs. No coupons on this. which is a decent deal on the BOGO. You know, guys, I love a good deal on bacon, and this Jimmy Dean bacon is our favorite. The thick applewood smoked is $8.99, so I'll make it $4.50 per bag. I still have tons more deals to bring to you, but don't forget to head on over to my Instagram channel or my TikTok at Praising and Saving. Make sure you like those. Come back here. Let me know in the comments that you have done so, and you will be entered into a gift card giveaway for $10. So just let me know in the comments. The next deal is the Splenda Moneymaker. So this is the Splenda Zero Sweetener. You could do the other ones as well, the stevia, but I did the Splenda Zero for this one. This one is $4.49. Just make sure you're scanning with Ibotta to find the ones that work for you. So with the BOGO, they'll be $2.25. Already a good deal on that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. It is attaching to this one for me that I'm you showing here at $2.50. Well, this Ibotta rebate, you could do up to 5 times if you want. So it will make it a moneymaker of 25 cents on here. But what I did was to maximize my savings, I went ahead and did it 5 times. So with that 5 times, it was a moneymaker of $1.25. But there's other Splenda rebates. You could do other ones as well. Just make sure that you're scanning the right ones that are on BOGO. And yeah, moneymaker of 25 cents per Splenda. Chobani creamer is some of my favorite creamer. So these are usually $5.40 each, but they're on BOGO, so they'll be $2.70 each. You're going to pick up 2 of them. Your total is $5.40. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app when you buy 2. That's going to bring your total at the register to $4.40 or about $2.20 each. As couponers, you know we never pay full price for toothpaste, and we usually either get it for free or almost for free. So this Colgate toothpaste is $4.59. They're on BOGO, so it'll be about $2.30 each. You're going to pick up 2 tubes. Your total will be $4.60. There is a $4 high value coupon on these. So automatically you're using that $4 coupon at the register, making your total for the toothpaste just 60 cents or 30 cents per tube. Easy peasy deal. Not a lot of work on this. All you have to do is click that coupon, save that money, and it's going to be 30 cents per tube. So these are one of those threshold coupons where if you spend a certain amount, you're going to save a certain amount. And this is a Johnson & Johnson coupon where you can spend $15 on Johnson & Johnson products and save $5. For this coupon, there are a couple items. The Visine eye drops, they're $2.50, is a great one to pick up, but my store was out. Also, the Bengay, this is the large one, $9.49 on BOGO. But the item that I picked up was actually the Motrin that was $17.39. It being $17.39, it's actually going to be BOGO, so it'll be $8.70. Now, the way the threshold coupon works, it's going to work for before it was on sale. So it's going to work for that $17. So that $5 off 15 is going to work on this. So the $5 off 15 is going to work. And then also there is a Motrin coupon for $2 off. So all in all, that's $7 worth of coupons that's going to work on this product. Making this Motrin that's $17.39, just $1.70 per box. This is a great deal. Don't skip out on this one this week. Make sure you pick it up and make sure you clip both of those coupons. I am a big fan of the Carvana products. And so this Carvana stain scrubber, the laundry stain scrubber, is going to be the best deal for you this week. These are usually $3.90, but they're buy one get one free, so they'll be $1.95 each. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate on this, so it's going to make the stain scrubber just 95 cents. Another reason I love this deal is because there's a limit of 5 on Ibotta, so that means you can pick up 5 tubes of this and save $1 per tube. Now, I do want to remind you that when you're doing the limit of 5, like it says, to make sure that you're buying it all on the same receipt, because you're going to buy it all on the same receipt and submit to Ibotta all together. Got some Linder's bagels. So these Linder's bagels are usually $3.34. They are buy one get one free. So each container of bagels or each bag of bagels is going to be $1.67. The I can't believe it's not butter is usually $4.71 each. It's on BOGO, so it'll be $2.36. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app, making it at the register $1.36. The Peter Pan peanut butter, goodness, is $3.45 each. It's on BOGO, so it'll make each jar $1.73. No coupons on this. Heinz ketchup this week, usually it's $3.99. It's on BOGO, so each bottle of ketchup is $2. You know we go through ketchup in my house like crazy, so I definitely picked this up. The old El Paso dinner kits, there's a variety of them. This is the one I picked up. They are $4.59. They're on BOGO, so they'll be $2.39 per box. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 boxes. Your total at the register is going to be $7.17. Then you are going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes. And then you're going to use this $1 coupon when you buy 3 at Publix on the Publix app. So $1 coupon and a $1 Ibotta rebate is $2 in savings, which will make your total $5.17 for these, or about $1.72 each after the Ibotta rebate and the coupon. We have an FREE free B on the body armor water. Now this body armor water is $1.99 on BOGO, makes it $1, and then there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making it totally for free. The great thing about this deal is you can do it up to 5 times if you would like. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in all of these awesome deals that I had for you today. Wow, I'm just so happy that I could bring you so many great food deals in this video. Don't forget, head on over to my TikTok and my Instagram channel, like those channels, and then come back over here and let me know you did like them. And I have all the same handles for all my channels, praising and saving. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.